Alright guys, so today the guy said this thing was heavy. He was not lying. So I got my package today guys from TA Performance. So I just brought a few parts because what I'm waiting on for him to start making the intakes for the new, the intakes again for the 350 Buick engine. So right now he's waiting to be able to make some more of them. So what I want to do is in 455 engine, I want to put a bigger cam, new lifters and stuff in there. So I'm going with a 212 cam in here, guys. So let me cut this loose and see what we got in here. Feel like it's about to collapse. Got it? Alright, so let me see what I got here. Come in here first. Alright, so let me come in here first. Alright. Let's see, he sends instructions. Buick balancer should slide on. Do not press on. If you have any questions, please call TA Performance. I'm going to give you the instructions on how to install the balancer, but it's no big deal. Kind of know that already. Yeah, look at that, guys. Brand new TA balancer. I'm gonna get it degreased it, clean it up. I'll paint it. See, even put foam in there, make sure it don't get damaged. So they go about packaging it. And this ain't the first time that I've bought parts from them. So this is the 455 here, the balancer. I got one for the 455 and the 350. Must be the 350 here. Same deal, but not with as many instructions. So, what, he care about the 455 a little more than he do the 350s? Well, new balancer there, guys. I didn't, I'm not building a race motor, so I didn't get, the $500 balancer, but these costed a pretty penny. So look at that. Alright guys, so these are the valves. Stage 1 valves for the 455. So I want to put bigger valves in the heads. So I'm going to take the heads in and have them done. You know, I didn't want to go with aluminum heads and everything, so the bigger valves for the 455. And I'll get a marker and mark this on here later, tape it back up. These are probably the lifters. Oh no, these are all the valves. So, yeah, I don't know why I wasn't thinking. Oh, look how big those valves are, guys. I mean, you probably can't see them there, but they're all wrapped individually. Big valves. So, the exhaust, and one of them is this intake, and the other one is out for the exhaust valves. These are the lifters here, I'm quite sure. So brand new lifters for the 455. I'll write 455 on there. Make sure I know that. And this must be the camshaft. See how this is gonna open up here. All right. Going to take it all the way out, guys, but as you see, you can see that's 455 with the way the gear is there. 212 cam. Alright, guys, so that's what I got from TA Performance here today, guys. I'm waiting on him to get the intake stuff in so I can go and get my showstopper finished up. But I just went ahead and ordered these parts up for the 455 and wanted to get some of this stuff just so I have it. And when I'm ready to get that engine built, she will be ready. But alright guys, hey, it's that time of the year that my picks are gonna be coming to an end, guys. So I'll be getting more off into my builds over the winter. So hopefully you will stay tuned and constantly follow me on YouTube. I probably got, what is this, October 6th. I probably got enough videos to almost make it to November with the my picks. Plan to hit more shows next year and hopefully get a lot more footage. I didn't get to make a lot of shows even this year because I just was too busy doing too many things, and they worked us a lot of Saturdays this year. I'm in construction, so hit a lot of Saturdays, had to ask for some Saturdays off. You can't ask for too many, but the winter, guys, you know, go back and watch some of the older videos. You know, if you start watching my picks recently, you know, I got almost a year and a half of my picks. I'm at, what, 104 as of this date? So if you only watch 20 of them, you can spend the winter. You go in go to the channel and you go to the playlist, and all my walkarounds will be up under my pick. So if you want to follow my 70 Wildcat build, that's going to be up under 70 Wildcat build. 64 Riviera. All of mine, my videos are not random. They all up under, each video have its own playlist. Now I just did a walk around with my guy Roger with the 77 Limited. Now, I put that on my pick, but it's also going to be up under the playlist of the 77 Limited, because when I started the channel, I had already painted the car, so I didn't show myself doing the body work and everything on that 77 because I started the channel after it was painted. But from the date I started the channel up to me doing this walk around with Roger the other day, all of that's up under that 77 playlist, guys. So, you know, go back, watch some of the older videos. I know some guys, you know, you might not want to watch me do the body work or watch me working on the cars or disassembling, reassembling, I don't know. But there's plenty of my picks if you like the walk-arounds, the interviews. It's 104 of them out there, guys. Just go back, look in the playlist, it's right there. But hopefully you guys gonna follow me and, you know, stay with me over the winter, you know, get my numbers up, and then I'll be back next summer, Lord's will, with my picks, my interview walkarounds again. So stay tuned, guys. Keep up. All right, thanks.